Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Libra placement. So, let's see what's for you in general and in love for the rest of August. Okay, so again, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items here, okay, sa ating mga charms and crystals. So, isa-isahin natin muli. Okay, so meron tayong mga evil eye protection dito. Okay, so if you're interested pagdating sa pagpoprotect ng inyong mga energies, frequencies, na talaga naman, no? Araw-araw hindi may iwasan na merong magi-evil eye sa atin. So, eto na, 'di ba? Napakasimple lang. Hindi natin kailangan ng pagandahan whatsoever. Kailangan natin is kung anong kayang gawin ng ating mga ito, no? So, yeah, meron tayong dalawang sample ng bracelet. So, isang garterized, isang adjustable. Yung adjustable natin, available po ito sa red string. Okay? Pwede nyo ipa-customize, pwede nyo palagyan ng initial ninyo kung gusto nyo. Okay? So, yung ating namang ring is adjustable. Okay? So, yung ating, this is, tawag dyan, necklace. Okay? So, ganyan siya. Okay, as you can see, maliit lang yung kanyang pendant. Okay, and this is unisex, by the way. So, ganyan lang siya. Okay, so simple lang. Simple na simple. So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. So, dito na tayo sa ating mga pangmalakasan pagdating sa mga ating manifestations, no? In general, anyway. So, our 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Okay, so ano bang pwedeng mai-provide sa'yo? Syempre, when it comes to love, so union, harmony, happiness, so nandyan rin yung peace of mind. Pwede ito sa single, okay? So para mapaganda rin ang inyong frequency, ang inyong energy pagdating sa love. So pagdating sa pera, anong meron? Meron siyang citrine. Okay, citrine stone. Citrine stone is the merchant stone na tinatawag and the money magnet. Okay? So, nasa iisa na lang. No? So, yeah, kaya sinabi nating 2-in-1. Dati kasi wala eh. Okay? Wala dati. So, yung mga old natin na love bracelet, wala pa po yung mga citrine. Okay? So, ang focus lang niya is love talaga. No? Sa mga, meron dyang mga old na ating mga bracelet na ganito. So, recently lang tayo naglagay ng citrine stone. Okay? So, kung lalaki ka, gusto mo nito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Wala naman pong problem doon. Okay? So, next, yung ating, yung ating cord cutting. Yung cord cut. So, ito, job description niya is tanggalin yung nagsisilbi or nagbibigay ng MALAS sa'yo. Okay? At sinasabi nating kaalatan. Oo. So, pwede yan sa'yo, pwede yan sa bahay, sa business. Okay? So, yun po. No, again, pagdating naman kay grantor, pasensya na, nag-smudge ako kanina. So, si grantor, ang taga-grant po ng inyong mga minamanifest. Okay? Sample is, sana magkaroon ako ng visa. Sana makapasa ako sa ganito, ganyan. Sana maibigay na sa akin yung deal or whatsoever project. Mga ganong bagay. Okay? So, yeah. And syempre, aside doon sa mga minamanifest, pwede, nagbibigay si grantor ng at least twice per week na sabihin nating surprises / bonus, no? Pagdating sa kanilang mga nagmamay-ari. Okay? So, again, itong si grantor is made to order po ito. Okay? Kasi pinapagawa ko pa po yung design o yung nasa loob. Okay? So, again, kung meron pong tanong pa, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And syempre, yung ating cleansing kit. So, ang laman niya ay white sage and selenite crystal. So, yung dalawang yun, tumutulong yun sa ating mga charms para ma-cleanse sila, para ma-energize sila, o like, kunyari, nakapagbigay sa inyo or nakapag-grant sa inyo. So, i-recharge nyo sila gamit yung selenite crystal. Okay, so ganun lang. Anyway, so, let's start the reading, Libra placement. So in general, what's for you for the rest of August? What's for our Libra placement for the rest of August? Let's see. Okay. 10 of Cups. Completion. Energy ng completion. Happiness. Contentment. Okay. I'm hearing occasions. What's with the 10 of Cups? Ooh, occasion. I'm hearing some of you. May chance ng pwedeng, I don't know if this is talking about recognition or I'm hearing deployment. Okay. This is talking about sabihin natin pwedeng sa work or sa career, sa business mo. Okay, meron akong naririnig na anniversary. Yeah, that's not for all. Okay, so I'm hearing retirement. Mga ganyang bagay. Okay, so yeah. Okay. There's this something na pwedeng magagawa. Okay, like pagdating sa family. Yeah, I think the King of Pentacles is somebody na can provide, no? So I think kung ano man yung kailangan mo i-provide sa, could be sa family mo, okay? May chance na pwedeng mangyari bago mag-end ang August. Yeah. So Page of Pentacles inversed. Death. Okay, so there's changes here. Changes is coming. May chance na pwedeng nakikita nyo yung angel number 555 or 111, mga ganung bagay. Okay, that's talking about changes. Ang tawag dito, new beginnings, mga ganyang bagay. Okay, so ito, ang sinasabi rito, change of plans. Ayun ang naririnig ko, change of plans. So siguro, some of you kailangan magkaroon ng change of plans, tactics, or sabihin natin kung ano man yung sabihin natin i-level up or dagdagan kung ano man. This is talking about, or sabihin natin regarding business siguro, the Page of Pentacles. Okay, so what else? What else for Libra placements for the rest of August? Okay, the World is here in reversed. Why? Why in the reverse ang ating World? The High Priestess. Don't block. Kung ano man po yung pwede nyo pang matutunan. This is general. Okay? Avoid blocking new ideas, new energy sa tingin natin na pwedeng makakatulong sa atin. Okay? Yeah, the 7 of Wands. This is block kapag nakaganyan. And kapag nakaganito, this is parang being open. Okay? Being open. So, siguro open, pero kailangan pa rin nating mag-filter. Okay? So, may malaking pagbabago ako nakikita rito, mga Libra. Iba sa inyo, this is not for all. Okay? This is for somebody na pwedeng alam nyo na meron kayong alam. Bukas ang third eye nyo, mga ganyang bagay, empath ka or whatsoever. Something na alienish, no? Alienish na sinasabi, out of the world, out of this world na mga kinemerut. I'm hearing something na pwedeng mag-level up yung iyong talent, okay, bago mag-end ang August. Or pwedeng merong sabihin nating situation na parang magiging open ka sa mga ganong bagay-bagay. Pwedeng aaralin mo or magiging curious ka. Anyway, okay, outside the norms, parang ganyan. So, yeah, konti lang na mga energy, kung anong mga pwede, kung anong mga mensahe ang dapat mo pang marinig if ever. So, Okay, let's focus na sa iyong person. Okay, the person on your mind, Libra. Ito yung madalas talaga na tawag dito, inaabangan, no? O the person on your mind. Okay, na-miss ko na ulit mag-live. Gusto ko na ulit mag-live. Share ko lang. So, Libra, the person on your mind, who is this? The person on Libra's mind. The moon could be a Pisces. Okay. What's with that? I think some of you, this person is pwedeng hindi mo na nakikita. Okay. There's this energy of longing, craving, sadness. What's with this moon in reversed? I'm hearing somebody na para silang lagi nilang gising sa gabi. Okay. The Knight of Cups. Could be younger. Yeah. Could be younger. So I think this person could be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Don't get too hung up, no, pagdating sa ating mga zodiac sign na binabanggit. This could be any sign anyway. So, Libra, etong taong to, may chance na nagiging moody or naging moody sa'yo. Hot, cold. 1 minute nandyan, 1 minute wala. Mga ganyang bagay. So, there's inconsistency pagdating sa kanya. So, some of you talagang naging unconditional yung binigay mo pagdating dito sa taong to. The unconditional love. Pero sila, I'm seeing na this person is, they gave you something like conditional. No, conditional love. Let's see what's with the situation. The situation ng mga Libra at ng kanilang person. Okay, merong hindi nag-workout. Okay, the 8 of Pentacles in reverse. Merong hindi nag-workout. Could be the one-sidedness. Okay, yun ang isang nakikita kong issue dito. One-sided. Yeah. The 9 of Swords. May mga issue na kailangan focusan, i-fix, pero hindi nagawa. Yeah. The Star. The Queen of Swords. Parang isa dito is sabi lang ng sabi, nag-a-address kung anong mga dapat talagang aksyonan. Pero yung isa is parang pumapasok sa isang tenga, lumalabas sa kabila. Parang ganun yung energy. So, talagang there's imbalance, no? There's no good cooperation. The 3 of Pentacles in reverse. Yun yung energy nun. So, let's see what is the emotion. The emotion ng taong to sa'yo. Okay, the Star. So, I think parang depende, no? Nakadepende. It's like you're a genie. Pwede ako mag-wish ng mag-wish sa'yo. Parang ganyan. You're like a shooting star. Parang ganyan. Okay. So, pwede mong i-grant everything na, yeah, parang ganun. Okay, they admire you. Yeah, the Star. See, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. The 6 of Pentacles, yeah, they see you na pwedeng kaya mong ibigay everything. They need it, they want, parang ganyan, okay? So, yeah. Yun nga lang, pwedeng may nangyaring miss opportunity sa inyong situation, okay? Sabihin natin ngayon kung kayo ay separated kasi may energy ng separation dito, hindi magiging ganito yung energy ng taong to at ng sitwasyon kung wala. Emotion niya sa ngayon is they're like still hoping na magkaroon ng reconnection or having this new beginning with you, parang ganyan. Pero ang nakikita ko is ganun pa rin, walang pagbabago dun sa tao. Okay? And some of you, they see you na ikaw yung gagawa ng first move. Pero kung hindi mo ginagawa ngayon, nararamdaman ng taong to na unti-unti nang nawawala no, yung mahalaga ngayon. Okay? Unti-unti nang nawawala yung mahalaga na dapat pinahalagahan niya before pa. So, ngayon lang niya nare-realize. Okay? Yung kahalagahan mo. Oh. They're crying over this. They're crying over this. So, there's regrets. There's regrets. So, let's see what is their next action this August. The Nine of Cups. In reversed. The unfulfilled wish. No? The unfulfilled. Parang feeling niya wala nang mangyayari or parang hindi na matutupad yung talagang inaasahan niya or ina-expect niya na mangyari, which is what? The pakikipag-ayos, the pakikipagbalikan. Yeah, the Ten of Cups. The Four of Pentacles. They're holding back. Okay, holding back. Itong taong to, tingnan nyo, the Nine of Cups in reverse papunta sa Ten of Cups in reverse. Gaano ito kalungkot. Wala silang gagawin. They're held back. Yeah, see, strength in reverse. No actions at all. Andun lang yung talaga yung para silang niyayakap, no? Ng kalungkutan ngayon. Okay? Niyayakap sila. So, ganun po, no? So, walang kawala. Oo, dun sa pagkakayakap at pagkakagapos na ginagawa nung kalungkutan sa kanya ngayon. Okay, so, yeah, I'm hearing depression, some of them. Okay, so let's see. Kasi alam niya na may nawala. Ito po ha, the Eight of Pentacles and the Nine of Swords. Energy to ng parang, sana pala ginawa ko tong ganto, ganyan noon. There's regrets. Okay, so anong outcome nyo? Potential outcome? Ngayong August. The potential outcome. Okay, the King of Wands. Let's be that, King of Wands. And the Empress in reversed. The World, this is acceptance. Yeah, the Two of Wands. Sitting, waiting. If ever, okay, kung kayo is naghihintayan sa isa't isa, wala pong mangyayari. Hindi ko ina-advise na ikaw ang gumawa ng kung ano man dito. Libra, kasi ang nakikita ko sa kanya, they're expecting pa rin ng kung ano sa inyo sa past. Meaning to say, wala pa ring pagbabago na nanggagaling sa person mo. Okay? So, you don't need to wait. You don't need to sit down and wait for this. Okay? Parang, sabihin nating, pagkakataon mo to para mag-grow. Okay? Huwag ka maghintay lang ng maghintay dito sa taong to. Yeah, just be open. Pero, hindi mo dapat na parang, hintayin, no, yung energy niya. I don't know kung paano ko may explain. I don't know kung paano may apply yun sa sarili mo. Pero sana na-gets mo. Okay? There's no growth kasi kung ikaw itong parang naghihintay lang ng something dito sa connection yun na to. And kasi sinabi ko rin na hindi mo kailangan gumawa ng action. Okay? They need to to grow. They need to grow. O siguro mas maganda nga talaga na makita niya yung kawalan mo para matuto siya. Pero it's up to them kung pipiliin lang matuto or hindi. Okay, so there. Accept. Just go with the flow. So let's see. All signs are through Pisces. For our Libra placements. Okay, oops. Let us see. Okay, Aries through Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yan, napakalaking help niyan sa ating channel. Okay, so, Aries. Medyo hindi mo sila makokontrol, no? Matigas ang ulo nito. Taurus, they want to clear the air with you. Gemini, they want your attention. Cancer, they're not ready to commit. They have commitment issues. Leo, they're looking for you. Okay. Some of them, parang nawawala na yung ilaw or nawawala na silang flashlight o sa kanilang mga dinaraanan. Ganun yung nakikita kong energy from them. Virgo, some of them, they have trust issue. Okay, there's this issue maybe na kailangan na parang i-fix or to clear. Okay, parang ganyan. Libra, so no effort. Okay, no focus. Scorpio, they're manifesting. Okay, they're manifesting you. Maybe they're manifesting a long-term connection with you or forever with you. Mga ganyang bagay. Sagittarius, they're selfish. Capricorn, they're open. Emotionally invested, could be, or open emotionally. Aquarius, they're waiting. Pisces, they're obsessed. Yeah, they're obsessed over this. Lalo na kung may mga blockages. Yeah, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Libra placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung atin pong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.